Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by turning on Waze voice features and granting microphone access so commands register. Open Waze, tap Settings, then Voice and Sound, choose your preferred voice. Once done, confirm your phone's system permissions allow microphone use for Waze. If prompted, set Waze as the default navigation app to ensure voice triggers work from other apps. Now say the wake phrase or press the mic icon to begin. This first step makes the app listen and accept your commands. Once listening, give clear, concise commands so Waze interprets them correctly. Say navigate to then the address, business name, or landmark. Include city if needed to disambiguate. You can also ask for gas nearby, avoid tolls, or route with highways. Make sure to pause between multi-part requests, for example, set route first, then request avoid tolls, because Waze processes commands sequentially. Using short phrases reduces misrecognition, and to complete navigation, listen for Waze route confirmation and answer verbally. Say yes to begin or no to see alternatives. Once underway, you can ask for ETA, alternate routes, or avoid highways mid-trip. If Waze doesn't respond, make sure your phone's GPS and network are active, then toggle the mic icon or restart the app. If problems persist, update Waze and recheck microphone permissions. That fixes most recognition errors and gets voice commands working reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.